some interesting news you solve now. I'm Aziza.
I'm Jois.
I will be delivering the news about the rising number of international tourists visit Banggai. Since 2022, the number of international visitors has continued to increase year by year. In 2022, there were around 200 international tourists. That number rose to approximately 600 in 2023 and further in 106 in 2024. It is predicted that in 2025 the number will reach 200 visitors.
This growth clearly saw that Banggai is becoming a top destination for international travelers. Several factors contribute to these trends to us. The breathtaking natural beauty of the area, which remains unspoiled and untouched by modern development. The rise and well-preserved marine extent on this occasion or called Lita will impress the speakers.
Okay, I'm here with the speaker, Mr. Iqram from Tourist Information Center and Miss Fajra, Tourism Office. What do you think about foreign tourists visiting Banggai from 2022 until now?
I think since from 2022 until now, increased foreign tourists come to Banggai because Banggai is very wonderful and many places they find here like mountain, waterfall, beach, local life, and important also local life like Bajo tribe. They are very interesting about Bajo tribe because Bajo tribe they are to 80% they are living on the sea and they make money from the sea to all, and that's why for tourists foreign they are come here for to know about everything of Banggai, and Banggai also welcome to tourists foreign. Thank you.
Okay. Can you provide information on the number of foreign tourist visitors from 2022 to 2024?
Okay, thank you. I will convey the development of the interest in foreign tourist visit Banggai. Since the year 2022, foreign tourist visit Banggai have increased greatly from year to year until now. In 2022, the number of foreign tourists is around 2,000 visitors. In the year 2020, around 600 visitors, and in the year 2024, it had 1,006 visitors, and we predict that in the year 2025, it will increase to 2,000 visitors. Thank you. That is the development on data available.
Okay. What are the reasons why tourists are interested in visiting Banggai?
Yes, that's a good question. I think they are come here because Banggai is very natural and it's good food, culinary, and underwater also for diving, for snorkeling. It's everything inside in like in underwater, many animals, and they it's very impressive because it's still natural, and also they are like the food in local food from Banggai, like onyo from Sagu, yeah, and also local life here, yeah, because everything manual and also still natural. That's important. Thank you.
What is your prediction from 2025? Will there be a rated interest, and can you estimate how many visitors will come to Banggai?
Yeah, I guess in 2025, tourists, foreign tourists, more than 2,000, because it's easy to find Banggai, because Banggai you can find in YouTube and Instagram and Nexus and wherever information about Banggai, easy to find it. And yeah, I think like that's because Banggai is wonderful, and yeah, they interesting and not crowded like Bali, like another place crowded, many tourists and not good for tourists for region. Like that. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for today interview with Mr. Iqram from Tourist Center Information Center and Fajra Tourism Office. Okay, from Lawang, I am Lita Rahim, back to the studio. Thank you.
Thank you, Lita. All these elements contribute significantly to the growing appeal of Banggai as a top tourist destination in Indonesia, especially for air Europe travels, whose number have continues to reach each year.
On this occasion, our colleague Lita will interpret the speakers.
That concludes our news referral for today. I'm Aziza.
I'm Jois.
Along with the editorial team, signing off. Thank you and see you next time.